Tonight, you might want to step outside and say hello to your neighbor. In some areas, you might even find a block party on your street celebrating National Night Out. It's an event held nationwide, bringing police and communities together. News4JAX reporter Jim Pickett joining us live from one of the National Night Out events on the West Side. So, Jim, this event is expecting some pretty special guests.
That's right. I'm here. This is like any other street here in Jacksonville. I'm not the special guest here, obviously. It's going to be the mayor and possibly Sheriff T.K. Waters. They are coming to this night out event, which is being held at this house right here, as I mentioned, on Mizell Street. The event is in the backyard here, and it's something that they've been doing for some time, but it's something that this community and others around the city are really excited about, and something that they say can help Jacksonville. This is the third time that Nancy Ryer and her husband have hosted a neighborhood gathering for National Night Out. And while they say they know most of the people on their street in this West Side neighborhood, they say it's important to reach out to others in the area.
That's what is nice about our neighborhood, is because everybody looks after everybody else. And that's what the whole thing is about, a neighborhood.
So these events, you believe, really do have a purpose and work.
Sure. You get to know people, you get to know what they're about and where they work and all that kind of stuff. So, yeah, it's a good thing.
Not everyone is so sure that these events really accomplish that. Like this News4JAX insider who also lives on the West Side and wrote us saying there needs to be more to it than just a night outside. Lakeisha Burton of the mayor's office says that's the point of these events. It's to encourage people to get together, not just for one night, but to bring neighbors closer together and allow them to get to know the police who could be working in the area.
A lot of times you will be surprised that people live next door to each other and they don't know each other's name, and that's the part that has to change. That's why this neighborhood initiative is so important, so you can get to know your neighbors and you can work together and look out for each other. And the other piece of that is the community, the people that live in the community partnering with the police to have a better relationship so we can get ahead of the issues that our cities face.
We went to other neighborhoods like this one on the far west side, and we heard similar answers from those hosting events. They tell us that this is a yearly tradition, but it's also a start to reach out to neighbors who might not otherwise be in touch. So as you can see right now, Mayor Deegan is pulled up and some of her staff, and they're here as well. So Mayor Deegan is here. She's attending this party out here. Mayor, just real quick, are you pretty excited? We're live right now.
Of course you are, Jim.
Of course, I know. But these events important for you.
Very important, yeah.
And you're going to several tonight.
Yeah, I think it's really an important community building event. I think you want to make sure that folks are out not only getting to know each other, but building trust with law enforcement. You know, having an eye out for crime, making sure that everybody knows each other, so that if they see something, they can say something. It's a great opportunity to get to know your neighbors.
Very good. I know you're going to several tonight, and good luck and have fun here this evening. Thank you, Mayor. So that's the situation. It's going on around town. Mayor Deegan here. Hopefully the sheriff will show up a little bit later as well. We're live on the West Side. Jim Pickett, Channel 4, the local station.